the 2014 attack helicopter display team. The crew have just completed a reverse bunt. This manoeuvre takes the aircraft right to the limits of its performance and pitch, with the reverse requiring both skill and finesse, and the aircraft having a very powerful tail rotor. The crew are now positioning for a pedal turn. Once again, this means the crew will take the aircraft to the 90 nose-up limits. No mean feat in a 7.5-ton aircraft, I can tell you. The aircraft is now climbing and conducting what they call a sea climb, simulated by those flares going off and reacting to that. The aircraft also needs to be able to descend rapidly as well, and the crew will now demonstrate this by conducting a rapid descent. As the aircraft is an attack helicopter, the crew will now prosecute the previous threat with Hellfire. The Hellfire missile has two types of sights, radar or laser, with the radar Hellfire being fired from the air. Captain Paul Waddle, co-pilot gunner in the front seat, will now use the laser-guided Hellfire to engage the target. We can now listen to the crew as they speak to the ground crew sign in preparation for the attack.
10, this is Rodney 50, contact. I will say that the threat now repositioned to engage with Hellfire. Widow 10, you're clear hot Hellfire on the target.
Crew now position the aircraft using a 360-degree return to target.
Incoming target, happy friendly, in hot, 30mm.
One of the more important elements of an engagement is to assess how effective it is. This is known as battle damage assessment. The crew are now performing a zoom climb in order to look into the target area.
Apache 50 has identified a further target point. We're repositioning.
The crew have performed a knocking down to position for an engagement. This shows the immense agility of this aircraft and how it can change direction so quickly.
This is Widow 10, you are cleared hot firing point with rockets.